you use a real camera?
This is video.
Oh, are you sending it to Jason?
Yes.
I don't think they're going to come out while we're watching them. We need to go inside, I'm pretty sure. They're like, okay, seriously, why is the gate open? Looks like we could get out. Can. Well, sure. I'm a little worried, like, can they even stand up? Because they've mostly been laying down like that for the whole time. But you figure they have to get up to go use the bathroom and eat food. They must move around.